Okay, so Chris found some really delicious pork buns that he liked. We're gonna go back and get those for breakfast. And then we're gonna try and find the bus that goes to Anping Old Fort. Should be the 19 or the 88. Hopefully we can figure this out. So we found a bus stop. I don't see any sign for the 88 bus here though. It says it's an hour walk, so I think we're just gonna walk it. We walk fast. I don't think it'll actually take us an hour, so we'll see. Whoa, that's so cool. Look at this. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna go find a seat. I'm gonna carry her too.
These things are so cool. They might actually be biodegradable. Okay.
I'm curious if they're. Oh, look at that soup. Chris got like a stir fry thing. We got a hot meal halfway between Anping and our hostel. Chris got a bento box. I got a beef noodle soup and a cappuccino, and everything came to 210 Taiwanese dollars. That is pretty fancy for a 7-Eleven meal. Really good. So we have made it to Anping District. Across the river, we're on Anping Road, and it should be about another 20 minutes down this road, and we will be at Anping Old Fort. According to my step counter, we've already walked about 6 kilometers. We got 1 more to go, so we're pretty close. We made it. This is Anping Old Fort. We managed to walk all the way here from downtown Tainan from our hostel. Took us over an hour, but it wasn't too bad. It's not too hot today. So we're about to go buy our tickets and head on in. Good to go. 2 adult tickets, they were 50 Taiwanese dollars each. There is a $150 pass. I'm not sure what that includes, but we're just doing the fort today, so that's all we needed.
This fort is over 400 years old. Fort Zeelandia is a fortress in Taiwan built by the Dutch East India Company in 1624. Today, the only Dutch piece left is the southern brick wall outside the front gate. During the 17th century, Taiwan was one of the most important trading sites. The purpose of construction was not so much major defense as it was protecting trade. The fort was rebuilt during the Japanese Colonial period and renamed Anping Old Fort. The bricks to build the fort were shipped in from Indonesia, and the mortar was made from sugarcane, sticky rice, and oyster shells.
That's it for Anping Old Fort. We're actually going to head out now to the Anping Treehouse, which should be just around the corner. It's really cool. It was only 50 Taiwanese dollars, and it's a fun little piece of Taiwanese history. If you're interested in history, this is a great place to come check out.
Anping Old Fort was really fun to check out. If you're in the Tainan area, I highly recommend it. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe. In my next one, I'll be checking out the Tainan Treehouse.